Welcome. Today's topic is 10 driving lessons from my father. These are the lessons my father shared with me when I told him I wanted to learn how to drive. I still hear his voice in every one of them. I have passed these same lessons on to my child, and I hope this will help you understand defensive driving, learn one or two things from today's topic, because his wisdom has protected me for years. Lessons. Lesson 1. Do not ever buy a driving license. His first rule was strict. When I told him I wanted to learn how to drive, he said, "Do not dare buy a driving license. You do not want to die young." He insisted I go to a proper driving school, learn the right way, and then he will take it from there. Follow the road traffic rules every day. He always said I must follow all the road traffic rules I learned every single day. No shortcuts, no compromising. Never drive when you are emotionally overwhelmed. He warned me not to drive when I am sad, angry, crying, frustrated, or worried because emotions take away your focus. When he passed away, this lesson hit home. On the day I received the news, I made so many mistakes on the road, skipping red lights, nearly colliding with another car, and almost driving off the road because I was crying and my thoughts were spiraling. I honestly don't know how I survived that day. Your mind must be calm to drive safely, he said. You are not driving alone. He used to say, "Remember, my baby girl, you are not driving your car alone. You are also driving the car in front of you, behind you, and beside you." At first, I didn't understand. He meant that I must learn to anticipate what other drivers might do. Be alert, be present, be ready to react. The car in front may slow down suddenly. The car next to you may change lanes sharply. The car behind you may be too close and make you feel uncomfortable. Your awareness of all these cars keeps you safe. Keep a safe following distance. He taught me to keep the legal following distance, or even more so. I have enough time to react if the driver in front brakes suddenly. A good following distance can save you from a multiple car collision, he said. Understand your environment. He always asked, "Where are you driving? Is the road tar, gravel, wet, slippery, or uneven? Is there enough lighting? Is it a busy area or an isolated one with animals roaming around?" Your environment should guide your speed and your reaction time. Watch out for vulnerable road users. He reminded me to look out for cyclists, pedestrians, children, and the elderly. People sometimes cross the road without checking if it's safe. They fear a cow more than a car because they assume the driver will see them and slow down. But that is not always true. Sometimes the driver simply cannot stop in time, he said. Make sure your car is roadworthy. Before a long trip, he taught me to check tires, oil, water, tools for changing a tire, emergency triangle wipers. You never know when it will rain. and good wipers are essential for safe driving, he said. Do not drink and drive. My father led by example. If he had even one or two drinks, he took public transport home and fetched his van the next day. Even today, I am proud of him for protecting himself and others on the road. Take care of yourself on the road. He always said, do not engage in road rage. Don't fight with other drivers. Drive peacefully. If you are wrong, apologize and move on. If the other driver is wrong, still choose peace. People get killed on the road because of anger and misunderstanding. Humble yourself and keep going. Keep it moving, girl. That's my father. What I carry forward. I am grateful for my father's lessons. I taught my child how to drive using the same wisdom. These lessons are not just about driving, they are about life, awareness, and responsibility. What is defensive driving? Defensive driving means being proactive, being alert and present, anticipating danger before it happens, protecting yourself and others on the road. My father taught me defensive driving long before I even knew the term. He never used technical language, but his wisdom has kept me safe on the road for years. This concludes my lesson for today. I hope you have learned one or two things that will help you become a safer, more mindful driver. Drive safe, drive alert, drive with awareness. That is defensive driving. Simple put, driving with awareness, anticipation, and responsibility. That is defensive driving. Be safe on the road, be a responsible driver, avert a road traffic accident. Words of encouragement. No shortcuts, no compromising. Stay true to what is right, and life will honor you. Thank you.